Hello guys, we're gonna hike in Lake Agnes tea house, Mirror Lake, all the way to Big Beehive. It's a nice view there, so let's go. Hi, hiking again. Here's our hiking buddy.
Hiking again.
Okay, let's go to Lake Agnes tea house.
Lake Agnes.
Yeah, we're gonna go hiking. Lake Agnes tea house. Nice view.
Like, oh, I look good because I was swimming.
Longer yan.
It says there 5.5.
Lake Agnes tea house.
That wasn't a very nice golf course, that's for sure. I mean, it was gorgeous.
J'ai hâte d'arriver sur le plan là.
Hiking for exercise.
Hello.
Hello, hiking buddy. It's too hard, a little bit hard.
Because it's going up.
The trail is nice, but
It's
going up continuously. A little bit hard going up. We're catching up our breath. We are in the Mirror Lake. Oh, we have to pass Mirror Lake. 2 more kilometers for Agnes tea house. It's a nice lake too, eh? We're almost there.
Mirror Lake.
Kaya pa? Trekking buddy? Hiking buddy?
Travel buddy. Dati magpa-picture tayo.
Hello mga ka-vlogger. We're here now in Mirror Lake. Mirror Lake.
Hi, hiking buddy.
2 hours.
Almost there.
Yeah.
0.8 kilometers.
Nice. This is the Big Beehive. And the Mirror Lake there. What's up, hiking buddy?
Ayos naman.
Kaya pa?
Kaya pa. Medyo stopover lang dito sa Mirror Lake. And
Big Beehive.
Beehive.
Sisters going out to the Lake Agnes tea house. Hiking buddy, we're here now in waterfalls. Let's check it out. It's a nice waterfalls. Nice waterfalls right here. First time to see it. Oh, brilliant. Going down there. It's a long walk. We're hiking for 2 hours already. but it's worth. It's very nice view here. Nice waterfalls. Nice stairs. It's so tiring, but it's worth. That's all I can say. We are in the Lake Agnes tea house now. We're almost there. 1.7 kilometers still. But Lake Agnes is just here. And the tea house. Oh, very nice. The waterfalls down there. Lake Agnes is here. Oh, nice. With the mountain, Rocky Mountain with the glacier. We made it. Lake Agnes.
Lake Agnes.
You can see highway 2, no? That's kind of the highway 1, yeah. The parking, the hotel, the tea house. You can eat and dine in. This is Lake Agnes. We just hike it for 2 hours. But it's worth. Lots of people here. It's like there's no COVID. Yes. We're going to Big Beehive now. Still hiking. That's the Lake Agnes. Over there is my hiking buddy. Still going up. Yeah, I saw the sign. Ganda yata si hiking buddy. Come on! Kaya pa? There's still lots of snow here. Summer, but still lots of snow. The trail is going up and up and up. Still okay? Almost there. 20 minutes more. Finally, we made it. After almost 4 hours of hiking at the top of the Big Beehive Mountain. From here, you can see the majestic view of the Lake Louise and the Chateau Hotel. Hello!
Hello mga ka-vloggers.
After a long hike, we made it. It's almost 4 hours. It's a long hike. and very steep, but it's worth. It's worth. Very nice view. The hotel and the Lake Louise. There's a gazebo here. A little gazebo. This is the final destination of the hiking. The gazebo. The Lake Louise there. Final destination of the hiking. It's really hard to hike, but very nice view. Yeah, this is the end of it.
This is the gazebo.
Yeah,
We call it shelter.
final destination.
It's nice.
This is the Lake Louise from the top of Big Beehive Mountain. We hike almost 4 hours, but it's really nice.
It's worth it. It's worth.
Yeah,
It's hard. Why is it like that? It's there.
it's too hard to get up here. Okay, let's go back home. Going back home. Nice view, mountain. The glacier. Still hiking. Now it's going down. After 3 hours of hiking from the Big Beehive, we're back here at the base at Lake Louise. It's too far. The majestic Lake Louise.
I'm getting tired, man.
My hiking buddy is too tired.
7 hours. It's so tiring. 7 hours na eksakto.
Hello. We're back in Lake Louise after 3 hours of hiking.
3 hours? No.
7 hours hiking return. From the Big Beehive going down is 3 hours. That's the Big Beehive behind me. It's really tiring. This is the hotel and my hiking buddy. My hiking buddy is really tired.
It's tired. The hiking body is tired.
It's really a long walk. The longest hiking we've been so far. 7 hours back and forth. That's it for today. And have a nice day. Thanks for watching.